the facts and avoid the original rush to judgment that was started in this case.
Yeah, on behalf of the attorney for the child, I must say that I felt that there was two of them actually that they listened to some of the things, and we showed them some documents. So that was definitely a unique part of this case too, as well as the media involvement and the involvement of the Russian consulate.
Well, it's a great outcome for Anna and Alex, but I think one of the questions that still remains was the standard of imminent risk met when CPS and when police went into their home on Wednesday and took Sammy?
I think one of the things that came out in the hearing today was the admission by the attorney for the child that there really wasn't such an imminent risk, that they'd originally wanted to do something and now they've been pretty candid and said it's not really necessary to do it today.
Well,
are you shaking your head?
Yeah, I want to be real clear. There was never a level of imminent risk to justify what those officers did and what that social worker did with that child, in my opinion. And I practiced in this area of law for 14 years on the imminent risk side of what you're talking about. In addition to, not in addition, but part of 21 years of doing the juvenile defense law. So there never was, and there never will be, and it was overreaching and a rush to judgment, as he called it a moment ago, and that's what's got to stop. That's got to stop. Now, I don't know if you heard this, but for all this joy that this family got to experience today and all their friends and supporters who were here, one of the most poignant moments was coming out and being very happy for my client, and I heard someone crying. And I thought, my God, why is anybody crying? We just got the kid back. And I looked down the hall, and there's another woman who's crumpled to her knees because her child's been taken. And I can tell you, after 21 years of practice in this system, that I would bet my bottom dollar there's something I wouldn't like about what happened in her case, and you wouldn't like about what happened in her case. So somebody really needs to, at some point, look at this system like they did at the IRS many, many years ago, and take a really close scalpel look at what's going on. That person's cries really tamped down my exuberation over what we were able to accomplish in our clients.
So what's the next step? I mean, I know this is not over, no?
The next step is in 30 days we'll have another hearing. I am hopeful that at that time this will be put to bed and the government will step out of these people's lives and allow them to get back to do what they want and what they think is right.
Poor Anna. Oh, there they are. Miles.
Yes, I do. It's like a special day for us. It's again, we're like reunited with our son again, 24/7. We can see him. We're gonna be there. We're gonna be holding him in the hands nights, days, and we're just not gonna let go anymore.
Alex, how are you feeling right now?
A lot better. I mean, through those dark days and nights that we know what was gonna happen, at least he gave us basically 24 hours so we could be with our child.
You've been fighting so hard because you knew that something wrong had happened and you felt like the system failed you. Do you finally feel as if there's a tide of change and the system is finally trying to right what was wrong?
Yes, I think so. I think they knew what's going on and they realized that they did a mistake, so they've been working with us right now to clear that, to at least hear our son.
Alex, I know when we talked to you before, you said that you guys felt like you were criminals. It
Yes.
taken your child from you. The only time you could see him was for an hour at a time under supervision. But you said the whole time that all you wanted was just the best care. Do you believe you're getting the best care for your child now?
We hope so. We're gonna see that. We're gonna go there and see because there are little complications. But I mean, we are able to be with our son for 24 hours a day.
When can we expect the heart surgery? Is that still kind of in the future? You don't know yet?
We don't know yet. All we've been asking was for the second opinion, and we got it. We now gonna go to a better hospital where we're gonna have the better treatment for Samuel, and that's better doctors up there, and we're just gonna be there, I think, with a better treatment. Yes.
We can never forget the video that you showed us of the officers coming into your home, CPS coming into your home and taking Sammy. Does this erase what happened?
No, it doesn't. It's still, I mean, it's still going to be in my memories and stuff. It's like a nightmare. You never forget.
It's like right now, every time my door is somebody's knocking on it or ringing, I get shocked. You know, like I'm like, who is there? You know, should I open the door? Make sure I'm gonna look on it. Who is staying in front of my doors?
How do you feel knowing that CPS is still taking on the monitoring role? We're not done with them yet.
No, we're not, but with all the prayers that we got, people have been supporting us and God is hearing us, and I think it's going to be ending pretty soon.
Yeah, we hope so, but we still feel kind of like they don't still trust us.
Is there anything else you want to add?
Just happy with just being, right now, just jumping in the car and drive up to Sam and just been holding him. Just when I have him in my arms again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But it's Sutter that's transporting him, right?
Yes, I guess that's what they're gonna do, that Sutter's gonna transfer him to Stanford.
And then after he goes to Stanford, do you know how long he's going to be there? Is he just going to stay there indefinitely
We don't
until
know.
for evaluation and everything?
Hopefully, but we don't know. It's
He's yours after his
Yes,
Stanford done?
yes,
yes.
Do you have any time as to when you hope to have this surgery done?
we're gonna see that we're gonna have to talk to the doctor and we're gonna see that he gets healthy as soon as possible and then we can see that we'll get his heart fixed.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you for your help. You've been helping us a lot.
It will.
Jumped right on time.
Whether, I mean, it wouldn't have happened.
Well, I'm sure we're not going to... you want to keep on this?
Sure.
He's going to be the newest star.
I know.
Hopefully our Facebook page doesn't get blocked.
Again, I know.
Okay.